guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Markela for those of you who do not know me, and today we will be doing butterfly locks. I will be using the butterfly locks from Janet Collection as well as the Freetress Crochet Bohemian braiding hair. The color that I will be using today is 1B. If you guys already know, if you watch any of my videos, y'all already know I love starting off on clean hair, baby. It makes my life easier. It will make your life easier. I'm not sure if you're doing this hairstyle for the first time, but I did want to try out a new technique, and I definitely wanted to try out the new butterfly locks that the Janet Collection had released. So the first thing that I like to do is I love to part my hair down the middle, and I like to section my hair off in 3 sections. The reason why I do that is, 1, it makes it easier for me when I go to make my parts, and 2, it kind of just makes everything flow with like when I go to part my hair. So I say, like, if you want to go ahead and section your hair off, you're doing this for the first time, or you know, you might be a pro at it, I always say section off your hair just in case your arms get tired, you got to take a break, you know where you can start from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to part my hair, make sure I get my lines as crisp as possible. I always like to use edge control to clean up my lines, and I did not actually show the edge control, so I'm going to drop that down in the description box. But I am going to go ahead and let you guys see my 3 sections, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to get right into the locks. So here are my 3 little buns. This is how we are going to go ahead and start the hair, okay? So I went ahead and I took the pleasure of doing the back, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely took me like 2 days to do the back, and it was just getting out of hand. So the first thing that you want to do, go ahead, get ready. The first thing that you want to do is you want to take your crochet lock, and what I always like to do is I like to stretch the crochet hole, and I like to, of course, take my crochet stick, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like just in case it's your first time. I always latch the loop onto the crochet stick, and I pull both my braid as well as the crochet together. The crochet lock, I'm sorry. I always pull both of them together through the loop. That way my hair is secure. I don't have to worry about my hair unraveling, and I also don't have to worry about the lock falling out. So the second thing I do is I take the Bohemian braiding hair and I apply the same steps that I did before. I insert the latch, I put the hair on the latch, I close it, and I pull it through. It's literally like a 1, 2, and 3. Now the tricky part is, so this is the thing. When you are when you're wrapping your hair around the braid and the lock, you can either unravel the lock to wrap it around the hair, or you can just do this method, which I find super easy because sometimes it's hard to take down both the lock and your braid. And I just find it super easy. So all I do is wrap around super tight, like 2 or 3 times at the top, and then I begin to do the butterfly method wrapping. So I literally just wrap it around my thumb, wrap it around my finger, and I just keep going down in a circular motion. And as you guys see, like, you see how I'm like placing my thumb, like placing the hair around my thumb, and then I go ahead and I tie a loop. So I didn't use any glue or anything because I just felt like it was just easier for me to just tie knots. So I just tied knots and I looped it and I wrapped it, and I kept tying and looping and wrapping. So I feel as though this is the easiest method for me. I feel as though this always helps my locks never come undone. You can also use nail glue if you want to, but you don't have to. So that's completely up to you. I don't really like the nail glue because when it dries up, it looks kind of weird. and sometimes I don't like that, and it could be because I use too much, but I'd rather be secure than be unsecure, you know what I mean? So I mean, that's pretty much it. I made this video super short. I did go ahead and I show you guys how to do the same thing towards the end of the video, but like at the top of my head. But it really doesn't get no easier than this. Like, y'all, my hair came out so cute. But I am gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this again. I did go ahead and slow it down for y'all so you guys could see exactly how you guys can do this in a slower motion. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys continue watching the video. So I finally finished my hair. Oh my gosh, we made it. The locks look so good. They look so natural. I love how the size of my part matches the size of the lock, so my locks can lay down nice and flat. They look so good. I really hope if you guys did try this for the first time, you guys had a success. Please let me know down in the comments if there is something that I should have done different, if you guys think that I should try different locks, or what is the next hairstyle you want to see. Girl, let me know. I'm here for it. But I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye.